Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic mensuration part 7 for 9th and 10th classes. Right? So in this part we discuss about combination of solids. Right? About a solid which is combination of cone and hemisphere. So in our daily life we have seen every day, we are seeing every day cone ice creams and a toy, right? See, this is cone ice cream, right? So it is the combination of cone. So it is cone and hemispherical top. So it is a hemisphere and it is cone, right? Here the base of cone is surmounted on the base of hemisphere. We get a cone ice cream. So it is a single solid, right? So it is combination of cone and hemisphere, right? So it is one of the solid and a toy also. Right? It is also combination of cone and hemisphere, right? It is conical portion and it is hemispherical portion, right? So these two are combination of two solids, that is cone and hemisphere, right? So what is the surface area of cone and what is the volume of cone? Observe carefully. Surface area of cone ice cream. Surface area of cone ice cream is the combination of cone and hemisphere. So CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Right, these two CSAs gives total surface area of the solid, which is combination of cone and hemisphere. So CSA of cone pi RL plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Right? From both to take pi r common. Pi r here 1 r remaining. So pi r into L plus here 1 r balance r, L plus r, pi r into L plus r, right? Sorry, L plus 2r, 2 also there, right? So take pi r common means pi r of L plus here 2 and 1 r remaining, that is 2r. So pi r into L plus 2r. This is the surface area of cone ice cream or surface area of toy, which is combination of cone and hemisphere. Next, what is its volume? So volume of cone ice cream. Is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Plus volume of hemisphere, right? So volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? So these two are like fractions by 3 by 3. So if denominator is the same means the two are like fractions. We can simplify numerators directly. So 1 into pi r square h, right, plus 2 pi r cube from both take pi r square common. Pi r square into pi r square. H plus here h is remaining. H plus 2r, right? 2r. So pi r square, 1r left. So 2r by 3, right? So this is the volume of cone ice cream, right? Now let me do example problems based on combination of solid, that is cone ice cream. Observe carefully. A cylinder is filled with ice cream whose diameter is 12 and the height is 15 centimeters. So observe carefully. Here a cylindrical container has full of ice cream whose diameter is 12 and the height is 15, right? First keep heading cylinder. So what are its dimensions? D is equal to 12 centimeters. Then what is R, its radius? Radius is half of diameter. So diameter is 12, then its half is 6. Radius is 6 centimeters. Then height is 15 and the height is 15 centimeters, right? So then volume of cylinder, that is volume of ice cream. So its volume is equal to pi r square h. That is equal to pi r square, r means 6 square into h, 15, right? That is equal to pi into 6 square, 36 into 15 centimeter square. This is volume of cylinder. It gives volume of the whole ice cream. So such type of problems you have to read and do the problems. Observe carefully. A cylinder is filled with ice cream whose diameter is 12 and the height is 15. Then the volume of the whole ice cream is pi into 36 into 15, right? Up to here completed. So cylinder means volume of cylinder means volume of total ice cream, right? Okay. Up to here completed. Next step. The whole ice cream is distributed to 10 children. The total ice cream is distributed to 10 children in equal cones having hemispherical tops. So the cone ice cream shape is like this. So there are such cones are 10, right? If the height of conical portion is, so height of conical portion is h is equal to twice the diameter of base. We don't know its radius. Suppose radius r is equal to x centimeter means then diameter is equal to x plus x. It is x, it is also x. Then diameter is 2x centimeters. What about height of conical portion? Height of conical portion is twice the diameter, right? Diameter is 2x, then height is equal to its 2 times 4x centimeters, right? Observe carefully. So it is cone ice cream having hemispherical tops. So in this, if the height of conical portion, if h is twice the diameter of base, if radius is x, then diameter is 2x, then height of conical portion is 4x. Why? Because means in the given problem, height of conical portion is twice the diameter, right? Now find the volume of cone and hemisphere. Cone and hemisphere, right? So what are the dimensions of cone? Cone dimensions. radius r is equal to x centimeters and h is equal to 4x centimeters. Then volume of cone V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. R means x square into h means 4x, right? That is equal to 1 by 3 pi x square into x cube into 4x cube centimeter cube. Leave it up here, leave it. It is volume of conical portion. So volume of only conical portion. Next to hemispherical portion. Hemisphere. Radius is x. So both radius is same. Then volume of hemisphere V is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. R means x cube centimeter cube. It is volume of hemisphere. So cone plus hemisphere gives total ice cream. That is cone ice cream. See? So volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere gives volume of one cone ice cream. Total there are how many cone ice creams? There are 10 ice creams. Okay? So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of 10 cone ice creams. Right? So according to the problem, observe carefully. Volume of whole ice cream means volume of cylinder is equal to. So volume of cylinder. This ice cream is distributed to 10 children in equal cones with hemispherical tops. So this volume of ice cream is equal to 10 into cone ice creams. So 10 into cone ice creams. Cone ice cream is the combination of cone and hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So 10 into volume of cone plus hemisphere. Cone plus hemisphere, right? So now substitute volume of cylinder pi into 36 into 15 is equal to 10 into volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi 4x cube plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi x cube. Right? Here we need to find the x value. X is radius of base of cone ice cream, right? So pi into 36 into 15 is equal to. So from both terms which is take common, observe carefully, by 3 by 3. 10 into 1 by 3 common and pi also take common and x cube, take x cube also common. So what is the remaining? 1 by 3 pi x cube. 1 by 3 pi x cube. After we got 4. Here 4 is there. Next here 2. Right? So in both sides pi get cancelled. 36 into 15 is equal to 10 into 1. 10 by 3. 10 by 3 x cube into 4 plus 2, 6, right? 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 36 into 15 is equal to 10 twos are 20 x cube. 20 x cube. Right, reverse. 20 x cube is equal to 36 into 15, right? The next cube is equal to 36 into 15 by 20. Right, now cancel. 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. 5 1s, 5 3s. Right? So x equal to 9 3s are 27. Then x equal to cubed root to 27. Cubed root of 27 is 3. See, radius of base is x equal to 3, and what is diameter? 2x. 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, right? So therefore, radius of cone R is equal to radius of base of cone. Cone R is equal to x, that is equal to 3 centimeters, right? And the diameter D is equal to 2x, that is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 centimeters, right? Next, go for a second example. A cylindrical container is filled with ice cream, right? So a cylindrical container has full of ice cream whose diameter is 12 centimeters and the height is 15 centimeters, right? So the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters and diameter D 6 centimeters having hemispherical tops. Find the number of cone ice creams, right? Here they given a cylinder and a cone ice cream. Cone ice cream is the combination of cone and hemisphere, right? First I have to find the volume of ice cream, the whole ice cream, that is volume of cylinder. First keep heading cylinder. Cylinder, that is ice cream, the whole ice cream. Right? So its dimensions D is equal to 12. Then what about R? It is a half of diameter, 6 centimeters, right? And H is equal to 15 centimeters. What is its volume? Volume of cylinder gives volume of whole ice cream. So V is equal to pi R square H. That is equal to pi into R square. R means 6. 6 square into H means 15. Right? That is equal to pi into 6 square 36 into 15 centimeter cube. This is the volume of ice cream. So this ice cream is to be filled into cones with the hemispherical tops. Right? How many cones required to empty the cylinder, right? Next to cone. What are the dimensions of cone? Height is equal to 12 and diameter D is equal to 6. Then what about radius? Half of diameter, 6 by 2, 3 centimeters. What is its volume? V is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. That is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square. R is 3 square into H. H means 12, right? 3 ones, 3 fours. That is equal to pi into 3 square 9 fours are 36 centimeter cube. It is volume of conical portion. Volume of hemispherical portion. So radius R is the same. 3 centimeters. So base of hemisphere and cone is the same. Base radius is same. R equal to 3. Here also R equal to 3. Then its volume V is equal to 2 by 3 pi R cube, right? That is equal to 2 by 3 pi into R cube. R means 3. 3 cube means 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. 3 ones, 3 nines, right? That is equal to 9 2s are 18 5 centimeter cube. It is volume of hemisphere. Observe carefully. Volume of cone ice cream is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Right? So, we don't know here number of cone ice creams. Let number of cone ice creams say X. Let number of cone ice creams is equal to say X. Right? Now, according to the problem, volume of cylinder means volume of the whole ice cream. It is volume of whole ice cream. Volume of cylinder is equal to, so volume of X cone ice creams. Total there are X cone ice creams. So this ice cream is filled into X cone ice creams. X into volume of cone plus hemisphere. Right? So volume of cylinder is pi into 36 into 15 is equal to X into volume of cone plus hemisphere. Cone is pi 36 means 36 pi plus 18 pi. Right? So pi into 36 into 15 is equal to X into 36 plus 15, 18, 36 plus 18, 54 pi, right? So both sides of pi get cancelled. So write reverse. X into 54 is equal to 36 into 15. Here we need to find the X value only, right? Then X equal to 36 into 15 divided by 54, right? Now cancel. 18 threes are, 18 twos are, right? 18 threes are 54, 18 twos are 36, and 3 ones 3 fives. So X equal to 2 into 5, 2 fives are 10. So X equal to 10. Here X is number of cone ice creams, right? Therefore, number of cone ice creams or ice cream cones is equal to 10, right? So total there are 10 equal cones with hemispherical tops, right? The whole ice cream in the cylinder is distributed to 10 children, means 10 cone ice creams, 10 children to 10 cone ice creams, right? So once again listen, the combination of cone and hemisphere is cone ice cream or toy. So this is one of the solid. So surface area of total solid that is combination of hemisphere and cone is CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone, right? That is equal to CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square plus CSA of cone pi r l, right? that is equal to, here take pi r common, pi r into 2r plus here L. So observe carefully. Surface area of cone ice cream or a toy which is combination of cone and hemisphere is pi r into 2r plus L. So by using this formula we can find the surface area of cone, right, and the volume of cone ice cream, volume of the solid, volume of the solid, that is cone ice cream shape, is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, right? So volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? So that is equal to, these two are right fractions. So take which is common, by 3 pi r square means pi r square by 3, pi r square by 3 common is there, pi r square by 3. Here h is remaining, h cube plus 2r, right? This is volume of ice cream cones, right? So surface area and volume, these two are very important formulas. Keep in your mind, right? By using this formula we can find volume of cone ice creams.